Hello everyone, this is Govind and you are welcome in the online platform of DAPS. My dear students, in this video I am going to talk about the quadrilateral. And if I say about the quadrilateral, you must know this is a first polygon, types of polygon. So if you talk about what is polygon, we already discussed what is polygon. Any geometrical closed figure made by 3 or more line segments is called polygon. So that is the polygon. And if you talk about, sir, which figure will be said as a polygon in mathematics, then you talk about the first type of polygon, that is what? That is triangle. So triangle we discussed, I have made video and you can just see it is uploaded there. So triangle we discussed. Now in this video I will discuss quadrilateral. And if you talk about the quadrilateral, it's another type of what? Polygon. So first type of polygon was triangle, and if you talk about the second types of polygon, then that is quadrilateral. So today's topic is quadrilateral. Chapter number 5, it is NCERT Classics Maths, and in this video we will see quadrilateral and their parts. So if I talk about the quadrilateral, the definition is written here: a polygon having 4 sides. Means any geometrical closed figure which is made by using 4 line segments or sides is called quadrilateral. So you must be getting here one picture I have drawn, you must be getting, and this is only called quadrilateral PQ, and the name of this quadrilateral is what? PQRS quadrilateral. PQRS quadrilateral, and this is the picture. Sir, only this is the diagram of quadrilateral. No, this is also quadrilateral, because you can see 4 sides are there. So 4 sides are there, then it means that it's a quadrilateral. Sir, this, if you talk about, this is what? This is also quadrilateral, because you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 sides are there. So whatever figure you see around you and they are having the 4 sides, then it is called quadrilateral. So here the name of this figure is PQRS quadrilateral. One more thing, it's written, that is very important, you must be watching here, it's written here, you can see this quadrilateral word is made by the 2 words quad and relaterals. So the meaning of quad you must be knowing. If you don't know, then you just understand this. The meaning of quad is 4, and the meaning of laterals means sides. So by the name also it is clear, any figure which is having 4 sides is called quadrilateral. So this is regarding the quadrilateral. Now you talk about the parts. So in triangle also we discuss the parts of triangle, then we just discuss the classification of triangle. Here also we will discuss the types of quadrilateral, I will tell you, and the parts. So if you talk about the parts of the quadrilateral, parts or elements you can say. So parts, if you talk, then the first part, it is there 4 sides are used to make. You can see this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Sir, why did you start counting from here? It is not written anywhere, it is not rule. You can start from 1 only. I mean to say from here. You can start from here also, but in alphabetical manner order you talk about, then it is P comes at first, then Q, then R, then S. So PQ I have taken as a first side. If A, B, C, D I will write, then AB I will start from here 1, this will be the first side. So it is not matter, anyhow you may count 4 sides will be all together. So here if you talk about, then it is having 4 sides. This is the first part, 4 sides. And if you talk about the name of the sides, the first name of the side is PQ. So I will write here PQ. Thereafter it is QR. In systematic manner we have to move. So this is QR. So another name is QR. If you want to put this symbol, we can put. If you don't want to put, you cannot put. But the correct manner for writing is this only. So this is PQ, QR. Thereafter you see RS, this is the third one side, and thereafter you can see the fourth side, that is SP. So SP will be the fourth side. So these are the 4 sides and their name it's written. Now if you talk about the second part, it is having 4 angles also. You can see here, this is first, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. And angle is what? Where 2 rays meet, 2 lines meet, angle is formed. So you can see 2 lines it is made, 2 line segments, so angle is formed. So these are 4 angles. So this is 4 angles will be there. So if you talk about the name of the 4 angles, this is angle P, angle Q, angle R and the another one is angle S. Sir, what would be the measure of these 4 angles? Altogether the measure of 4 angles will be 360 degree. I must tell you, all the sums of angles, sum of all angles will be what? 360 degree. Sum of all angles. In triangle it was 180 degree, but in quadrilateral 4 angles are there. So sum of all together these 4 angles will be 360. It does not matter what is the measure of this angle, different will be there, but all together it will be 360 degree. So this is the second part. If you talk about the third part, it is having 4 vertices, because angle is made, then vertices will be there. So if you talk about the angles, then vertices will have to write. So how many are there? 4 points are there, 4 vertices are also there. So 4 vertices, if you talk about the 4 vertices, these are the vertices. P is the first one, Q is the second one, R is the third one, S is the fourth one. This P point is first, this Q is second, this R is third, and this S is fourth. So if you talk about the vertices, then there are 4 vertices. Thereafter one more parts we can say it is having, that is diagonals. So how many diagonals are there? And diagonal is what? It is a line segment which join 2 non-adjacent vertices. These 2 will be adjacent vertices, these 2 QR will be adjacent, these 2 will be adjacent, these 2 will be adjacent. But if you talk about this P and this R, this is not adjacent. So this is one of the line segment which join 2 non-adjacent vertices. So this is the first diagonal and this is your second diagonal. You have to keep it straight. So SQ and PR. So if you talk about the diagonals, 2 diagonals are there. 2 diagonals are there, and the name of the diagonal is PR and the another one is SQ. These are the 2 diagonals. So these are the parts of quadrilateral. If you talk about the parts of quadrilateral, then these will be the parts. Now if you talk about the in triangle was classified on 2 bases, on the angle basis, on the side basis. Is it there here also? No, actually the triangle is classified on angle basis and separately and side basis separately, but this quadrilateral is classified on the side angle, you can say together only. So we'll see the types of quadrilateral. So if you talk about the types of quadrilateral, you see these are the name what I am just going to write now. These all are the types of quadrilateral. So first type if you talk about, then it will be parallelogram, you can say parallelogram. This is the first type of quadrilateral. In this parallelogram also 4 sides will be there. Yes, it is a types of quadrilateral, means it is first quadrilateral. So 4 sides will be there, but it will have a special property, so it is called parallelogram. So this is the first type. If you talk about the second type, then this is rectangle. A little bit, there is a little bit difference between parallelogram and rectangle. I will discuss it in detail. The third one will come rhombus. Rhombus will be the third types. If you talk about the fourth, then it is square. If you talk about the next one, that is fifth one, that is trapezium. And if you talk about the sixth one, that is kite. So all these are quadrilateral, means they will have a 4 sides only, but they are having a different and a special property. That is why they are named as a different name, parallelogram, rectangle. You see, if you talk about the figure, then this is parallelogram, and if you talk about the rectangle, this is let me draw it clearly. Yes, this is rectangle. So 4 sides it is common, but figure is different, you can see. Later I will talk in detail. If you talk about the rhombus, this is rhombus. You can find the difference. And if you talk about the square, this is a square. So you can find these are also same, little bit difference is there. So you can see these 2 figures. And about trapezium, if you talk, this is trapezium. This is also trapezium only, because 4 sides you can see. So there are several shapes of trapezium, but you see 4 sides are there, so it's quadrilateral as well as trapezium due to the special property. I will discuss it in detail. And if you talk about the kite, this is your kite. So I will talk these all types of quadrilateral in detail in another video. So just wait for that video. And what I have discussed in this video, the quadrilateral and their parts, you just pay attention, write in your copy, make a practice at home, and try to solve the questions related to this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.